Hey, you might be wondering how do you exactly engrave a skill gem here in Path of Exile 2? Well, engraving a skill gem is really easy. So first is we need to access our inventory. Let's go and press I on our key, and you should be able to see your inventory. Now, by the way, I'm playing on PC, so it might be different if you're using a controller. But if you're using like your keyboard and mouse for playing Path of Exile, the steps are pretty much the same thing. So what you need to do is want to go and locate your uncut skill gem, and you want to go ahead and basically hover over it. As you can see, it's going to say right click to engrave a skill gem. So you just need to right click on it, and that should basically give you this screen here. So this is gem cutting. So you should be able to see all the available skills that you could engrave on the skill gem. Now the thing with this one is depending on the level that you have, or what level the uncut skill gem is, you should be able to unlock certain skills. Like for level 5 minimum, you should be able to upgrade or engrave like the wind blast skill here. Now, by the way, there are different skills for depending on the weapon you're currently using right now. Like for elemental, this is what it looks like. But for quarterstaff, like mine, since I'm a monk here, it should give you this skills here. So just press on it and just click on the engrave button here, and that should engrave that skill. Now you could go and just basically add this to your skill by pressing G and adding this into your slot here. So the slots are going to be limited, so you won't be able to engrave every skill in here, but you could go ahead and just drag it in here. Like for example, I want to add my replace it with my glacial cascade here, as you can see right now. And yeah, so by the way, if you want to upgrade, like for example, if you want to upgrade your skill, let's go and choose our skills here. You need to have like a higher level skill gem, like for example this one. So you can go ahead and just right click on it again, and if you want to upgrade it, you should be able to see that it's now going to be upgraded to level 9. So from level 5, it's now going to go to level 9. So you go and just click on it, click on upgrade. It's now going to be level 9, and your damage is going to improve based on the level that you have, or the level of your uncut skill gem. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.